Ladies and gentlemen, it is Tyler here from Tyler Trading Tips. Welcome to a weekly Forex forecast for the week commencing the 14th to the 17th, 18th of June. This week it is 1:15 on the Sunday. I have a series of pairs that I believe will be the best Forex trading setups for this commencing week, and I'll go into that right now, starting with the British pound, New Zealand dollar. Now, if we look at the 15-minute chart, I have two moving averages here, the 50 EMA, the 200 EMA. Now, these are only used not as a trading strategy, but as a trading forecast for trend analysis. We want to see where the trend is going, so we can use our own trading system to enter on the market as it comes. But we only need good trends. We can't have bad trends. We need good trends, and this is why I'm using these two particular EMAs to find the trend, to identify the best Forex trading setups for this commencing week. So with the British pound, New Zealand dollar, 15-minute chart, clear uptrend. Let's go now over to the 1 hour chart. You can see the 50s above the 200 ever since the start of the month. We're in an uptrend here. So the 1 hour is bullish. Go to the 4 hour as well. You can see that is bullish as well. That's been bullish ever since the 12th of May 2021. So based on the fact that the 4 hour, the 1 hour and the 15-minute chart, going back to the 15, they're all bullish. We're only now looking for buy opportunities for cable NZD. Now, I'm not going to predict where it's going to land, but we've got institutional levels within the range of 9,720. That could be a clear definement of support that could occur, and then we'll take potentially a look at that. But overall, this is in a bullish market. We're only looking for longs for the British pound NZD with 3 time frames in correlation. So now let's go on to our next pair. Next pair being EURNZD, and we're on the 15-minute chart now, and we can see that the 15-minute is in an uptrend, a bullish uptrend. Going then to the 1 hour time frame, you can see that the 50 is above the 200 as well, and that's been like that again since the start of the month. The 1 hour is hence bullish. Going then to the 4 hour time frame, you can see again 50s above the 200. So again, that happened the same time around May as well. We started this bullish run, and going hence back to the 15-minute time frame, we have 3 time frames that are showing bullish trend, strong bullish trend on the 15, 1 hour and 4 hour. Hence why, if you are day trading or swing trading, you preferably should only be looking for long opportunities on the Euro New Zealand dollar. Now let's move on to our next pair here. We have the Euro Canadian dollar as our next potential here. Looking at the 15-minute chart, we can see the EMAs have crossed into a downtrend, and that occurred on the 10th of June. That started. Going into the higher time frame, you can see we just about have a cross here that's occurred. So officially, based on these EMAs, the 1 hour time frame is now entering bearish trend momentum. Now going to the 4 hour chart as well, you can see that we're in a nice significant downtrend. Yes, we're moving sideways here, but overall the trend is bearish based on these EMAs, and that's been the case ever since the 29th of April. So we have 3 time frames now correlating to a bearish market, hence why you should only be looking for high probability sell side opportunities on the Euro Canadian dollar. Now moving on, we'll go on to Australian dollar, Swiss franc. Now we can see based on the 15-minute chart, the EMAs have crossed to the downside, signifying a bearish market. So that's the first option. Going to the 1 hour, you can see again 50s below the 200. We're in a bearish market. That occurred ever since the 8th of June of this year, and so that signifies a bearish market on the 1 hour chart. Going to then the 4 hour, you can see as well we're in nothing but a bearish market again, and that's been for a significant period of time, ever since April as well. So going then back to the 15-minute chart for the Australian dollar, Swiss franc, you should only be looking for sell side opportunities, because the 15, 1 hour and 4 hour, all frames trending to the bearish sell side market. So that's that one there. Moving on to the next one, AUDNZD, the Australian dollar against the New Zealand dollar. Going to the 15-minute chart, outstanding uptrend. Look at the uptrend on the 15-minute chart, outstanding. It has been going up for a significant period of time. Fantastically strong clear trend on the 15-minute. Going to then the 1 hour time frame, we then have again further presence of a buying market. Ever since the start of the month, it's been in an uptrend on the 1 hour chart. Going to then the 4-hour time frame. The 4-hour time frame has just crossed into a bullish market. So this is significant now. We have the 4-hour chart now in bullish presence, 1 hour and 15 minute. 3 frames correlating now to a bullish market, a strong Australian dollar against a New Zealand dollar. Hence why, if you are trading this particular pair, only look for buy side opportunities. The trend will be in your favor if you are buying this currency pair. Now moving on to the next one. NZDUSD. And before I continue with NZDUSD, if you are finding this trend identifying forecast helpful, definitely leave a comment below and I'll keep them coming. Leave a like as well before I continue, and definitely subscribe for these every single week so you know which are the best trends to be in, to look for buys or shorts based on your own trading system. Okay, I will repeat as a disclaimer, this is not a signal video. This is identifying clean trends that you can use your own system to hop in on. So now going back to the NZDUSD, you can see on the 15-minute chart we're in a bearish market. Hence why when we go to the 1 hour time frame, you can see the 50s below the 200 ever since the start of the month. The 1 hour is bearish. Okay, looking for then the 4 hour time frame, that has just crossed on the EMAs. So now we have 3 time frames that are in a bearish market. Hence why when we go back to the 15-minute chart, you should only be looking for sell side opportunities. Obviously there's going to be some sort of pullback here. I'm not predicting where that pullback's going to land, but the point is use your system to only look for sell side opportunities on the New Zealand USD. Moving on to the Australian dollar US dollar pair. Okay, so hence on the 15-minute chart, it's pretty much going to be the same as the NZDUSD. 15-minute in a bearish market. The 1 hour again has crossed into a sell side trend, and also the 4 hour in a sell side trend as well, with the 50 below the 200. Hence why if you are day trading or swing trading, only look for sell side opportunities here as well. The trend is in your favor, selling it based on 3 time frames. And finally, the final pair that I believe has a good trend for this week, the Euro British Pound pair. Now looking at the 15-minute chart, we have crossed clearly into a downtrend here with the 50 below the 200. Going to the 1 hour chart as well, a clear cross into a sell side market as well, so the trend is bearish on the 1 hour. And finally the 4 hour, clear presence of sellers in the market with the 50 below the 200. Hence why when you're looking at the 15-minute chart for any intraday or swing trades based off the 15-minute, you're only looking for sell side opportunities where they'll be most probable following the trend, because the 15, the 1 hour and the 4 hour are all in sell side market momentum. So I really do hope this video has helped. There are many pairs this week that you could be eyes on. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pairs that have clear trend identification, that are all following the same direction based on the 15, the 1 hour and 4 hour. So using your own system, by all means, to wait for any pullback opportunities to get back in selling or buying. But hopefully these are the strongest trends, the best Forex trading setups that you should be looking at this week in this weekly Forex forecast. Now, if you have enjoyed this, like I say, leave a like, leave a comment with any questions you may have, and definitely subscribe. I do live Forex trading videos, live everything, okay, all on an IC Markets live account. Be sure to check that playlist out. But until next week now, ladies and gentlemen, I'm signing out. Have a profitable trading week.